Hey guys, day 28 and I'm off to my ride. It is somewhere around 5:40. Okay, and um there is a slight drizzle, very little amount of rain, and I don't know, maybe it has rained earlier a little while back in the day. Anyway, I'm taking the ride, guys. Uh, if it rains heavy, maybe I have to stop. If it is even raining lightly, maybe I have to just put my phone in, and I may not be able to record the ride. Okay, so let's see if the weather supports me. I'll be recording something from the day. Otherwise, this is it, guys. It's day 28 and I am starting my journey at around 5:40, which is earliest in the recent times. For the last 1 week or so, I have been going after 6 or 6:30. So it was quite kind of getting late. It was obstructing my other morning routines, and so I'm trying to start early today. That's it for now, guys. If weather supports, I'll meet you again during the ride as well as at the end of the ride. Hey guys, this is halfway, 5 kilometers done, and I have done it in 19 minutes 40 seconds, which is like a little bit faster than the regular. Okay, and I think that I might have also improved on the speed. I think I also might have covered some extra speed. Maybe I have managed to come up with the extra speed after I covered the first 3 kilometers, which are always my fastest. Okay, some factor affected it, guys. It could also be the Audible podcast that I'm listening, or the Audible audiobook that I'm listening. It could be so many factors, guys. One thing is sure, something is making me push harder. Something is making me go one step further, be 1% better. I am improving, and that's what matters. I'll meet you again at the end of the ride. Hey guys, this is the end of the ride. I have done my 10-kilometer ride in just 41 minutes, which is less by almost 1.5 minutes than yesterday, which is a great improvement, guys. I know I am improving. I will keep up. I'll meet again tomorrow.